Hello friends, uh, once again welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about some more tools using Icecream video editor. Uh, so let's understand that clearly with the help of example. So here is Icecream editor and we are going to talk about these tools, journal, audio, trim, crop, text, etc. So let's take a new project. So let's take some files here. So I have added here two files, and now let's drag here. After that, here is timeline, and just we have dragged these two files to timeline area. So we are going to show the journal. Under this we can see some tools like brightness, contrast, saturation, hue, speed. Brightness, simply it increases the brightness of picture. So we can take one example here, like it is already bright. So if I increase it, it increases the brightness. We can see here, yes, it is increasing the brightness. Yes, if I decrease it, then brightness disappears. So this is called brightness. Next is contrast. So what is contrast? Contrast means we can assign the difference in brightness between objects in the image. So it's a difference between brightness of different objects in that given picture or taken picture. If we increase the contrast, then it makes light areas lighter and dark area in the frame becomes much darker. So let's take example here. We can see here it is being dark, it is being lighter. So if we increase it, it becomes lighter, little bit brighter. If we decrease it, then it becomes a little bit darker. So that is called contrast. Next is saturation. So what is saturation? Let's also know about that. Saturation means it is that property of image uh, where intensity of color in the image is saturated. It means a saturated image, it has overly bright colors, and if the saturation is decreased, then the colors appear more washed out. If we increase it, then the colors appear more pure, whereas if we decrease it, then it becomes washed out. So if we increase it, we can see here, we can see here some changes happening here. Yes, so this is called saturation. So next is hue. So what is this? Hue means the wavelength within the visible light spectrum at which the energy output from a source is greatest. Hue in the context of coloring graphics refers to the attribute of a visible light due to which it is differentiated from or similar to primary colors red, green, and blue. So if we want to differentiate from the given colors red, green, and blue, then we can change it. So if we increase it, we can see some changes here from red, green, and blue. If we decrease it, we can also see that some changes, the minor changes are there. So this is called hue concept. So next is speed. Speed it increases the speed of that video whatever we are taking here. Next is rotate and flip. Rotate actually this tool it rotates from right direction. We can see here like this, and this it rotates from left direction. We can see here. Similarly is flip. Flip means also just like rotation, but it uses not left or right, only vertical and horizontally. Like if we use this flip horizontally, it flips horizontally. We can see here. If we use this, then it flips vertically like this. So it was about flipping, rotating, and some other tools we can use in this uh, journal of a given video. Now with some more tools like audio trimming, we'll be discussing in next video. Till then, take care and goodbye. Thank you for your time.